going to solve the previous year's 2 years question papers, and in that question papers we are going to solve only the questions which are related to the topic what we have covered till now. We are going to solve 6 to 7 problems today. So I request all of you, let us have a discussion about these problems. You listen to the problem. Madam is now reading the problem. You listen to the problem and you also try to solve, and we will have a discussion. I will try to discuss the problem on the board. Okay, my dear friends, please try to be with the problem. Okay, right. Madam.
The greatest 8 digits number with given digits 5, 8, 7, 5, 2, 0, 6 and 1 is.
See, already how many digits are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits are already given. And what the question is being asked? The greatest 8 digit number is the question which is asked. And already you know about this. I need not tell too much. Now, the greatest number among all this is 8. So 8 is the first one. Next greatest one is 7. Next one is, see, once you see 5, 6. Here 6 is there. So you can put 6 here. Next is 5. 2 5s are there. Next is, see, what are the things that are, see, whenever you are writing something, what are the things that are finished? You put a dash so that there is no confusion. You have used all these things. So you did not use these things. So among them, which is the greatest one? 2. Next is 1. Next is 0. So you are writing the given numbers in the descending order. That's all. When you are writing the given numbers in the descending order, you get the greatest number. Already this concept we have discussed it. So you can very easily solve this problem. You must be a bit careful, conscious in doing. Don't skip the number. Be a bit careful in answering the paper. This problem very easily you can attempt it. Okay. Next question.
Choose the correct option if number 52806,
52806,
52086, 52860,
860,
52800,
800,
58260,
58260
are arranged in ascending order.
Okay, now you have to arrange them in the ascending order. Okay. So my dear friends, all these numbers you know, I do not discuss too much about it. You can see whenever you are going for the ascending order. Ascending order means from the smaller one to the bigger. Let us give ranking to them. Which is the largest number among all these things? Which is the first largest number among all these things?
8.
This is the largest. See, whenever you are going, don't see the units place. See the units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 everybody is common. Okay, don't consider. Next, go to the thousands place. 8 is there, highest one. So this is the largest number. First rank number. Let us give ranking to this. This is the largest number. Next largest number. Now you have to go to the hundreds place. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 are having 8s are there. Right? Now these 3 are having 8s are there. Among these 3 again, which is the largest number? Next number again you go to. So in these 2 cases it is 0. But in this case it is 6. So this we can give the second rank. I think now you understood. Okay. You are giving ranking. So my dear friend, after this number, the second largest number is this. Next, what is the next largest number? Now once you see. Now already we have this is finished and this is finished. Now rest of the 3, now you see only rest of the 3. These 2 are having 8 here. These 2 are having 0 here. But here it is having 6 here. But here it is 0. So now which one you have to go for? We have to go for this as a third ranking. Now we are giving third ranking to this. Next we have to give, next ranking is being given to, fourth ranking is given to this. Fifth ranking we are giving to this. So among all the numbers, the smallest number is this one. The largest, now we have given an order this. We are given an order. This is the largest number and this is the smallest number. Now he is asking you the ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means the highest one should be here. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Means from the smallest number to the largest number we have to write. So which is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. Means 52086. This is the smallest number. Next number we have to write this one. That is 52800. That is the next one. Next one is 4. 4 finished. Next is third rank. Third rank we have given to 52806. Next we have given, okay, we finished 543 finished. Next is second rank. We have given to this. Means 52860. And the last one is 58260. Means, my dear friends, all this you know, I did not tell you. You have to see the order right from this side. 10,000 place, thousands place. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry only seeing this one. Here you will be missing. Don't be in a hurry because all are same two. Don't be in a hurry. Don't miss the focus. You should not miss the focus. You must be focused when you are answering. Okay? That's all. This is also a simple question. Already you know this. Ascending order, you know. How to identify the big number, that also you know. So you can very easily solve this problem. This is not a big issue for you. I think that you all can very easily, very comfortably do this problem. Because you know what is the ascending order and you know what is, how to identify the number. You can do it. Madam, next.
A number that must be subtracted from 9 to 5564 to make it equal to the sum of 23421 and 352421 will be.
Okay. Here the statement is given in such a way. Try. Here language is also a bit important. A number, you are going to get a number. When you subtract some number from this number, you have to subtract some number. Let that some number be something B. We don't know. When you subtract this from this, means what? What does it mean? What does it mean? A minus B. When you subtract a number, don't know what is the number. From this number means A minus B. Let this number be A. Then subtracting B from A. I think you are now understood. Subtract 3 from 5. Subtract 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. I think you understood. Subtract 10 from 100. Subtract 10 from 100. So from 100 you are now subtracting 10. That is 90. I think now you understood. Subtract some number from this number. He has given the number as 9,25,564 is a given. Subtract B from A such that he is giving a statement. Such that you are getting the sum of these two numbers. He is giving that must be equal to, when you subtract a number from this number, this quantity must be equal to sum of the two numbers. What is the meaning of sum of the two numbers? Sum of the two numbers means x plus y. Adding these two numbers. Sum of the two numbers means sum of 2 and 3 is, sum of 2 plus 3 is, sum of 2 and 3 is 5. Sum of 10 plus 5 is 15. Sum means addition. Sum means addition. I think now we have to sum these two numbers. When you add these two numbers, that is 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 5. Now we got this number. Okay. So when you subtract b from this number a, let us call this number a, we must get this number. We must get this number. Now we must get this number x plus y. See why I am saying it. See, this number I am calling it as x, this number I am calling it as y, simply for our sake to understand. That's all. Understood? So sum of these two numbers. Already we have done this sum. We know that. And we know this. We don't know this. What is this number he is asking? The whole statement I have written in the form of something variable. So that because the number is a big number, I am trying to use a, b, x, y. Because the number is a big huge number, I am trying to write like this so that you can understand better. Understood? Because to write all these things it takes a long time. For me, that's the reason why I am trying to use this. Now I know the value of x plus y. What is the value of x plus y? Already we have done here. That is 5, 8. That is 5, 8. How much? 6, 7, 2. This is the value of x plus y. Now my dear friends, please try to understand. A plus b is equal to c. For example, let us say. Then a is equal to b, a is equal to c minus b. Whenever you are taking any number from this side to that side, this plus becomes minus. Please try to understand. Understood? So a is equal to c minus b. When this plus b is taken to that side of the is equal to, it becomes minus. Okay, now you can ask me, madam, can I take a also that side? Yes, why not? C minus a. If you take a that side, if b becomes equal to c minus a. Understood? When any number from this side of the equal to is carried to that side, its sign will change. Similarly, for example, in an equation a minus b is equal to c. In this particular case, what happens? A is equal to c minus b. When it goes that side, it becomes plus b. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. Or you can also say like this. B minus b is equal to c minus a. If you take it as say. Please try to understand. When you are moving from this side of the is equal to that side of the is equal to, the symbol will change. The symbol will change. Okay, understood my dear friends? Now, in this particular equation, we know a. We know the value of a plus x plus y. Already we know these two. What is not known to you is b, we don't know. Now a minus b is equal to c. We know these two, but we don't know this. Now this is an unknown quantity. My dear friends, please try to see it. You can bring this to this side or this to this side. You can bring this c to this side. If you bring this c to this side, it becomes minus c. Now I can write this equation as a minus c is equal to b. Why? I brought this c this side. Plus c became minus c. I have taken this minus b that side. Minus b became plus b. I think minus and how to take that side and this side of the is equal to, you understood. Now my dear friends, in this particular case I want b. In this particular case I want b. So what should I do now? A minus c. This is c. This is nothing but c. Let me take that c. So what should I do now? A minus c means I have to subtract these two. I have to subtract c from a. I have to subtract c from a. B is nothing but equal to subtracting c from a. Now I have to subtract these two. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 16 minus 7 is how much? 16 minus 7 is 9. 14 minus 4 is 8. Again 14 minus 4, that is 8. Right, 11 minus 8 is 3. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. So what is the answer you are getting here? This is the answer that you are getting. I think now you understood something. Did you understand? The only thing that you have to practice here is converting converting the statement into an equation. Always this way makes your job easier. You must be in a position to convert the statement into an equation. Then your job becomes easy. In the question what is asking you? Subtract a number from a number. So subtract a number from a number. So A minus B. But that must be equal to the sum of the other two numbers. Two more numbers are given to you. Sum means nothing but adding. So now let this sum be equal to C. Now we got an equation A minus B is equal to C. From this we want the value of B because already we know A, we know C. So whenever there is an equal to, if you shift this side, plus become minus. If you shift that side, minus become plus. Already we came to know. This part you have to practice. So now B is now becoming equal to A minus C. Just now I have subtracted these two. We got the answer. The more you practice problems like this, the better you are going to understand. Sum means addition. Subtract so and so from that. You can understand the statement. Practice more problems, then you become more better perfect in this concept. Okay. So, from seeing this problem, what do you understand? You have to solve more statement problems. So that you will have a better idea about the language. That's very important. Madam, next one.
The product of 10,101 into 25 is.
The product of
10,101
is into 25 is how much? This is a simple question. Everybody can do it. Everyone can do it. 5 ones, 5 zeros, 0, 5 ones, 5, 0, 5, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. This you add this 2. It is a simple multiplication which everybody can do. I need not explain much about this. So, this is the answer. Okay, this is a simple multiplication. If you practice multiplication, you can solve this problem. That is not a big issue. Additions, doing additions is important. Practice every day, add. Doing subtraction every day. Doing addition, doing subtraction, doing multiplication on a daily basis. This is very important. And my advice is learn the tables. Learn the table. Every day one table. Don't learn all the tables on the same day. Learn one table. 2 to 20. From 2 ones are to 2 20s are. Better always you learn the table from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Randomly must be in a position to tell the table. Daily write one table. Madam, I request all the children have to write one table every day. Madam.
Find the sum of place and face values of 6 in 4, 3, 7, 6, 9.
Okay, this is also a simple question. Find the sum of, means you have to add the place value and the face value of 6. Okay, in this particular number, the place value of 6 is 600. The place value of 6 is 600. And the face value of 6 is 600. Is asking you to find the sum of the place value and face value of 6. So place value of 6 is 600 plus face value of 6 is 6. So it is nothing but the answer is 6 not 6. Okay madam? From this you can derive so many questions. Find the sum of the place value of 7 and the face value of 7. Then 7 means 7,000 it becomes. 7,000 plus 7. So the answer becomes 7,007. Similarly, you can take so many questions related to this. Okay? So this is a simple question because already you know the place value and face value. You can easily answer this question. Next.
944 minus 307 plus 119
119
is equal to
dash. Okay, it is simple but addition and subtraction. Whenever there is a such a kind of number, always add all the positive numbers first. When you add the positive numbers first, 944, 119. 9 plus 4, 13, 4, 5, 6, 9, 1, 10. So when you are adding these two numbers, you are getting this value. That means 1063 minus 307. So now always you have to add all the positive numbers. For example, if negative numbers are also 1 or 2 more are there, add all the negative numbers if 2 more are there. Now subtraction. Now 1063 minus 307. Now we are going subtraction. See, here only addition is there, only subtraction is there. Subtraction. 13, see here, you are borrowing 1. 13 minus 7, that is 6. 5 minus 0. Here the remaining will be 5. 5 minus 0, that is 5. Here it is 10. 10 minus 3, that is 7. So the answer is, what is the answer? 756 is the net answer. Madam, is the answer right?
yes, ma'am.
So in this question, you need not know much. Just a simple addition, simple subtraction. All the positive numbers add up, all the negative numbers add up. Finally, you subtract these two. Finish. In this, the only one concept is addition and subtraction is the only concept, which already you can do it. But I request all of you, be conscious, be focused, and maintain the speed, because you have to answer 50 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. 50 questions you have to answer. So you have to be fast. You must be speed. Speed important, accuracy is also important. Correct. In that speed you should not go, a mistake should not creep in. Okay, you must be speed and accuracy. Both should have hand in hand. Madam, next.
When we add 1 to the 3-digit greatest number, we get.
We are adding 1 to the 3-digit greatest number. What we are going to get? 1000 we are going to get. Alright. Here I request you to read the options also.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
dear friends, see the options. What kind of options are given?
Options A is the 3-digit greatest number.
3-digit greatest number.
Then B, option B is the 4-digit least number. Option C, the 4-digit greatest number. The option D, the 3-digit least number.
Okay, see in this case, options are important. Okay, you are adding 1 to the 3 digits largest number, 999 plus 1 is 1000, everybody can do up to here. Now you have to select the options. Options are not given like this, but it is given in the form of a statement, sentence, in a word form. What he told, the first option is 3 digits highest number, largest number, 4 digits smallest number, 4 digits largest number, 3 digits smallest number. So, in this case, 1000 is nothing but 4 digit smallest number. So, B will become the option. Okay, madam? It's a simple thing that you can very easily do it. You can read, you can understand, you can solve this problem very comfortably. So, thank you very much. Today we have discussed some of the previous year's question papers. Till now we have discussed some of the previous year's question papers. In this way, whatever the concept we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss the concept and we are going to discuss the previous year's questions also. Today's homework is practice as many additions as possible, as many subtractions as possible, statement problems as possible. Because More you do the statement problems, you can understand the language. You can convert the language into an equation. Okay, you can even start doing the multiplication. Division also will be done. Tomorrow's class I am going to discuss the divisibility rules. I am going to discuss the divisibility rules. Because all these operations already you know. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, already you know. Please practice it regularly. Tomorrow I am going to discuss about the divisibility rules. That's one of the point that we are going to discuss. And also I am going to discuss about the Roman numbers. These are the two concepts tomorrow we are going to have a discussion. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.